Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a PayPal account under the age of 18. So unfortunately you cannot legally create a PayPal account for yourself under the age of 18, but don't worry, there is still a way that we can get this done. So make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So it's actually in PayPal's user agreement that you must be at least 18 years old or they will actually close your account. However, if we get our parent or guardian to create an account for us, we can actually get them to add us as an authorised user. And this means that the minor can use the account to make purchases, but the parent or guardian will have the main control over the account. Now, if that option isn't the best for you, it might be better to use a different service such as Venmo or Cash App, as these apps do not have the same age restrictions that PayPal has. So that is exactly how you can create a PayPal account under the age of 18. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.